Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be looking at the Bitpanda Global Exchange, which is the full exchange offering from the guys over at Bitpanda, who have been operating a cryptocurrency brokerage service in Europe, focusing on the Euro market since 2014. In this review, we're going to be going over the basic features of the exchange, as well as looking at what I really like about the Bitpanda Global Exchange and some things which could be probably improved a little bit. Thanks as well to the team over at Bitpanda for supporting the channel by sponsoring today's review. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the process of setting up the account was actually super easy. Now I already had a Bitpanda account, so I was able to use that account to sign into my Bitpanda Global Exchange account. And then I came over here and deposited a little bit of Bitcoin to play around on the exchange with. Now in order to deposit some Bitcoin, you want to go up here and click on the little panda head, and then you'll see the deposit option there. Click on deposit. And now you can see where you can deposit your Bitcoin. But you can also deposit Ethereum and XRP and IOTA and Tether, as well as Pantos and the best token, which is the Bitpanda ecosystem token. And you can also use euros. Now, in order to deposit and to withdraw euros, you will need to verify your account. However, for crypto to crypto trading, no KYC is necessary. So you can just come over here, trade Bitcoin, trade Ethereum, trade XRP, and all that fun stuff without having to worry about KYC. Now, there is one thing that I'm not a massive fan of, and that is that Bitpanda Global Exchange charges a deposit fee for depositing less than 0.05 Bitcoin and less than 0.1 Ethereum. Now look, the fees are incredibly small, like super small, but still there is a tiny deposit fee, so it is something to keep in mind if you're playing with smaller amounts of crypto. If you are playing with a slightly larger amount of crypto, then there's nothing to worry about. One of the really cool things also is that this is a Euro-focused exchange. So for anyone looking to trade Bitcoin versus the Euro, or if you are an EU-based trader, then you can come over here and trade Euros to Bitcoin, and then withdraw Euros without having to go through USD as a bridge. And it is actually available in 54 different countries, so it's not just about the EU, it's a global exchange. Now let's go over some of the different pairings that are available here. So you can go up here and click on Market. You can see the different Euro pairings here. We've got Bitcoin Euro, Best Euro, Ethereum Euro, IOTA Euro, XRP Euro. Go over to Bitcoin as well, Best Bitcoin, Ethereum, IOTA, XRP, and all that fun kind of stuff. Now, you will see that the volume for Bitcoin to euros currently pretty gosh darn decent. Nearly 1 million euros in the last 24 hours. So very good. Looking at the altcoins though, the picture is a little bit different with much lower volumes. Now please do keep in mind that the exchange is new. So even though we're seeing, XRP only at a few thousand euros, that's gonna pick up over time, because the Bitpanda brokerage service currently has over 1 million customers. So as the Bitpanda team continues to promote and to entice users to come over to the Bitpanda Global Exchange, we will continue to see volume increase over time. And the fact that they already have nearly 1 million euros in volume for their Bitcoin pairing shows that the exchange is currently heading in the right direction. So let's go ahead and make a few trades here. So we're going to go ahead and click on Bitcoin Euros, and then we're going to come over here and click on Sell. And we'll just go ahead and click Max Sell. We're going to do a market sell here, but you've also, of course, got your limit sell option and your stop options as well. But we're just going to go ahead and do a quick market sell. Going to hit max on that, and we're going to click on Sell BTC. Awesome. And there you go. It was filled very, very quickly. So that's the filled order down here. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to go to Bitcoin Best. Bitcoin Best. So I bought some Best tokens earlier, and I want to try and make some money on these best tokens. So when I bought them for a little bit less than the current market rate, which is around 765 Satoshis at the moment. So I want to make some money off these here. So what I want to do, I want to make a limit order. I'm going to put in a limit price. We're going to say 900. Then we're going to do our max, and then we're going to click on sell best. So that order has been placed on the market, and of course now I just have to wait for the market to move up a little bit, and my order will get filled. You can see here the fees are 0.1%. Obviously the exchange layout is something that we're all very familiar with. We've got our order book here, we've got our market history over here, our markets panel here as well, and of course we have the charts. If you come over and, for example, look at the Euro to Bitcoin chart, you'll see a much more fuller looking chart, as we do have a lot more volume happening here on the Euro Bitcoin pairings. So you can, use these charts here on the exchange to help make your trades as you go through here. So next I want to come back up here and click on the Panda head again, and we're going to go down here and click on balances. I'm going to click on balances so you can see here the total balances that we currently have. So we've got mostly euros that we're sitting in right now. We've got some Bitpanda ecosystem tokens as well. You can also come and click on this here to see, for example, your order history. You can click on this to see your trade history as well. And you can also click here to see the fee levels. Now you can see that the more volume that you do in terms of trading, the lower your fees will become. So if you're just a small trader, well, you're going to be paying 0.1% for your fees. If you are a higher volume trader, you can get significantly lower fees. And come back over here, there's one really important thing. So this 0.1% fee that we're paying, if you get the best token, so if you are using the best token to pay your fees, you'll get a 25% fee discount. Now that particular feature will not be available until Q4 of this year, but it is definitely something to look out for, as that is coming soon, and it will be a great way to be saving on your fees. Overall, I really like the layout of the Bitpanda Global Exchange. It's a super simple exchange to use, especially for people who might be newer to trading. So for all those people from the Bitpanda brokerage service who are coming across here, it's going to be really easy for those people to get using the Bitpanda Global Exchange without too much trouble. This is a nice exchange experience for them. However, the exchange has been built with the idea of being very scalable, with the idea of being very robust. Thus, it is scalable for those institutional buyers and sellers as well. It is scalable for professional traders, and is basically ready to welcome those big players to come over here to the Bitpanda Global Exchange and to play around buying and selling and trading cryptocurrencies. So in addition to all of the basic features of the exchange, the buying and the selling and the trading and all that fun stuff, Bitpanda will also be offering IEOs, or initial exchange offerings. So there will soon be the possibility for Bitpanda Global Exchange users to actually get in on these early stages of cryptocurrency sales, which is definitely an awesome value add for users of the exchange. A reminder too that Bitpanda, the company, has been around for quite a time. They're licensed in Austria, which is definitely good in terms of security and professionalization and really the seriousness of the company overall. If Bitpanda can get a substantial portion of their million existing customers to come over from their brokerage service to start using the exchange, and of course find even more people to come in and use the exchange, then Bitpanda Global Exchange, I think, could be a very successful exchange in the coming years. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think about the Bitpanda Global Exchange. Have you used it yet? What are your thoughts on it? Are you planning on using it? Are you based in Europe, and do you like Bitpanda, the broker service, and are you planning on using the exchange? Let me know about all that stuff down below in the comment section. As always, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, leave a thumbs up on it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.